This is our new showroom, Day 1, where you can immerse yourself in our one-stop service. We have designed 2 spaces for modern and light luxury styles through our own products. You can also choose your favorite products to match your space in our sample room, and it is also equipped with a negotiation room and rest area, allowing you to easily and happily communicate with us about your project. Check the corresponding paving position, measurement, height, plane dimensions, etc. of bedding layer. Verify and record the number. Marble Mona Lisa, gray. Start construction. Add cement ash. Start construction. Concrete pouring. Apply cement to the back of the stone. Gently tapping the surface with the end of a hammer can remove dust, dirt, and loose debris from the surface, so that cement or glue can better adhere to the surface of marble. After polishing natural marble, the surface is very clean and delicate, smooth texture, perfect for home decoration. Cut the stone to the desired size. Concrete cushion paving and marble cleaning. Marble surface bonding process. The current unit type being filled is a modern space. This marble is called Mona Lisa, gray. Pure natural marble and ceramics, very beautiful. Added overall indoor effect and improved living experience. Natural stone has a long lifespan, under good conditions, can be used for 40 to 100 years. Ensure the flatness of the plane throughout the entire paving construction. Strictly follow the installation drawings throughout the entire construction project.